Hey, I'm Jeff Straw. Today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why you should start now. And by you, I mean you. And by now, I mean now. We're going to talk about reasons to just get going. Hi there. The quick drone setup. So we got to get these sticks on here. We're sort of running out of daylight. And so I'm not super happy about that. It's getting a little cold. And it's a little windy. But these all could be excuses that I am not willing to take today. Click it once. Yeah, they're both saying 3, I guess. They're all not 100% charged. That's okay, it's going to be a short flight today. Remember, we take this little cover off. That goes here. Power up the controller. And we're pretty much good to go on the drone. It's super simple to get up and running quickly, which I love. And it's one of the reasons that, you know, inspired this video, is that it is easy to just get out and start. And if your particular rig or setup is really hard to do that with, it can be problematic. So we want to avoid that as best we can, right? Keep our kit ready to go, keep things charged up, and if the inspiration strikes, we're ready to go. So, without further ado, let's go fly this thing. Whatever you can do or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, magic, and power in it. Begin it now. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Intentions can provide us direction, but we do need a spark of some sort in order to get things rolling. I don't know about you, but sometimes it's just really hard to break out of our shell and start that project, start the YouTube channel, start this video. This video today, we're going to talk about 3 reasons why you should start now. 1, the law of inertia says that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. And conversely, an object at rest tends to stay at rest. So when I'm on my couch watching Netflix, the last thing I want to do is get out of that rest position and get up and create something. But to be honest, that never provides me with any sort of satisfaction that I get when I actually get up and start. Just start. Starting can be the hardest part of a project, or it can be the hardest part of just a day's work of creativity. The law of inertia says that once we start, it's easier to keep going. Right? We start to build up momentum and we start to find a rhythm, and it's so much easier to stay in motion once we kick things off. So that's number 1. Number 2, there's no time like the present. In other words, if you've ever had regret about, man, I wish I'd started that thing 5 years ago, well, today's the day we can draw a line in the sand and say, I'm starting today, so that next year I can look back and see the progress that I've made throughout the year and not be filled with a whole bunch more regret and dissatisfaction with ourselves. And 3 is, we get better the more that we create. No one is great when they start. Nobody is good. We need practice, we need reps. And so we get better the more practice that we put in, the more we create, the more canvases that we cover with paint, the more songs that we write, whatever that is for you. And so since we get better the more and more we create, we know we have to start somewhere. Thinking about creating doesn't make us any better. Thinking about starting that YouTube channel doesn't get us any closer. Thinking and overthinking is a recipe for disaster in this space. You just have to get out and start. So that's my urge for you today. 3 quick reasons why it's good for you to get out and start now. Hey, I'm Jeff Straw. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and with that, I'm out.